When you sign up for the K-12 Food Rescue log tool, you will get an image like this in your email box or after you make your first entry, and you'll see that it gives you a total of your first entry and the different items that you put in. And we're going to show you how this works by entering log a detailed food rescue, which is in the blue box there on the right hand side. And the first thing you're going to see when you get into the next screen is you're going to get the opportunity to change the number of days. So we're going to change the number of days from 5 and pick a new number of days. It can be any number of days. We can do weight or we can do count. This particular one, we're going to count the food items, so we're going to leave it on count. And then we're going to actually change the date and add a different date. And after we've done that, we're going to start tapping on these boxes here. And we are going to, through tapping on each one of those milk items, you'll see that we're going to be able to put in 6, 8, and then 0 food items. Then we're going to tap the next 3 boxes for juices, cheese, and granola bars. We're going to tap in 8, 9, and 15 items. And we're going to continue to do that. And all you have to do to get the boxes to appear for the numbers is tap on the picture. So we tap on the next 3 pictures below, the last 3, and you see you have the opportunity to type in 7, 8, and then the final number of 6. And then we're going to type in some notes at the bottom, and we'll say this is my second food rescue or something, anything that you want to write there really, you can put in the notes. And after we're finished, we're going to send the data. And after we send the data, you get to a screen that says camera. And you scroll down and you see that at this point you get a graphic automatically that has the total number of food items, the number of carbon dioxide equivalents from entering into the environment. So you get an impact graphic. But we're going to add to it by taking a picture, by clicking on the camera icon, clicking on take a picture, going to photo library. You do have the option to take a picture if you want, but we're going to grab a picture. That's a picture of my daughter. And it says, please wait, your image is loading. And you'll see that you get that graphic back, the one that we talked about before, but you get something different after you've taken your picture, and that is you get a photo with the Food is Not Trash logo in the bottom right hand corner. It can be changed to the upper right hand corner. And then you get a personalized graphic embedded with a picture of the student next to the graphic. So it's a very powerful tool. So this time we're going to log a quick food rescue, which is how do we go through that process quickly without doing the detailed count. So we're going to left click on log a quick food rescue. We're going to go right up to the number of days, and you see you have the option to change the number of days if you'd like. This time we're going to weigh the food. We're going to count pounds for the entire food rescue. We're going to change the date, again, very simple to do. And now we're going to type in how many pounds was that rescue entered. We're going to rescue 600 pounds for that particular week or that particular time frame. We enter in some notes, we wait for the data to load, and lo and behold, it takes us back to the camera. Just a reminder that you get your image that we talked about before every single time, no matter what. And we're going to click on the camera again. We're going to take the picture. We're going to go to our library of photos, and we're going to grab another picture of my daughter, pull it up again, and you please wait, your image is loading, and it gets you to those same 3 things we talked about before, but this time it's in pounds. Notice that it's in pounds, 600 pounds. So we change the item. You get that same photo with the Food is Not Trash logo on it embedded, and then there's the personalized graphic sponsored by Kroger in that bottom graphic that can be shared. And then we go back to the tool itself, and I want you to look at the live impact dashboard that was at the top because I want to show you where all that information breaks down. We're going to grab a school called Beachside Montessori Village, and again that was clicking on live impact dashboard at the top of the graphic. And you'll notice that we have the ability to go to a detailed food rescue up in the upper left hand corner. So we click on detailed, and you'll notice that we have the opportunity to break down the percentage of yogurts, the percentage of milks, within a particular rescue or all the data that you've ever entered. And that's extremely valuable to be able to have that image that you can share with others. So when you do the detailed food rescue, you get that option. Now we're going to go to the upper left-hand corner and we're going to click on social, and you see you get an image that can be shared, a little different, sponsored again by the Kroger Zero Hunger Zero Waste Foundation. And in the bottom right hand corner you can share on a social link. You can see where the social opportunities are there: Twitter, Facebook, or email. And then you also in the bottom right hand corner have the ability to save this image as a JPEG, which is an extremely valuable thing to put into a presentation or put out there on social media. So we'll go back to the original email, and again that live impact dashboard's at the top. Appreciate you watching our video, and have a great day.